Hello, welcome to our gym. My name is Anna.
Hi, Anna. I am Tom. I want to exercise today.
That is great, Tom. Do you have a membership card?
No, I am new here. Can I buy a day pass?
Yes, it is $10. You can pay here.
That is a good price. I have my blue card.
Please tap your card on the machine. It is fast.
I am tapping it now. Did it work?
Yes, the payment is finished. Welcome to our team.
Thank you, Anna. The gym is very big and clean.
Yes, we have many machines. Do you exercise often?
No, I am a beginner. I want to be strong.
We can help you with that. Being strong is healthy.
I like the bright lights here. Everything looks modern.
We clean the machines every hour. It is very safe.
That is good to hear. Where can I put my bag?
We have lockers over there. You can use number 5.
Thank you. I will go there now.
Do you have water with you? It is very hot.
Yes, I have a big bottle. It is in my bag.
Excellent. Drinking water is very important for your body.
I am ready to start now. What should I do?
First, we must warm up. It is safe for you.
Okay, I am ready. Let's go to the machines.
Follow me to the treadmill, Tom. It is over here.
This is the treadmill. It is for walking and running.
It looks very cool. How do I start it?
Press the green button. It says start in big letters.
I am pressing it now. The belt is moving.
Walk slowly for 5 minutes. Do not run yet.
This feels very good. My legs are moving fast.
Look at the small screen. It shows your heart rate.
My heart is beating fast. Is that okay?
Yes, it is very good. Your body is getting warm.
I like the view from the window. I see trees.
The park is beautiful today. Many people run there.
I prefer the gym today. The air is fresh here.
We have a big fan. It keeps the air cool.
Can I go a little faster now? I feel good.
Yes, press the plus button, but be very careful.
I am walking very fast now. This is fun.
Your warm-up is almost finished. You are doing great.
Thank you, Anna. I am sweating a little bit.
Sweating is good. It means you work very hard.
My legs feel warm now. Am I ready?
Yes, 1 more minute. Then we stop the machine.
I am pressing the red button now. It stops.
Drink some water now. We go to the weights.
I am taking a big drink. Water is cold.
Let's go, Tom. Time for some muscle work. Look at these dumbbells. They have different colors.
They are very pretty. Which ones are for me?
Take the blue ones. They are 2 kilograms each.
Blue is my favorite color. I like them.
Hold them in your hands. Keep your back straight.
Like this, Anna? I am holding them tight.
Yes, now lift them slowly up to your shoulders.
1, 2, 3. This is not very heavy.
Good. Do this 10 times. It is 1 set.
I am on number 5 now. My arms are warm.
You have a good technique. You are very natural.
Thank you. I try to be very careful today.
Take a short break now. Rest for 30 seconds.
Okay, I am putting them down. My arms relax.
Muscles need rest to grow. It is very important.
I want big muscles like the men on TV.
Eat good food and exercise. You will be strong.
I eat many eggs and fruit. Is that good?
Yes, that is perfect. Protein is good for muscles.
Ready for the second set. 1, 2, 3.
You are very fast today. Keep your elbows down.
Okay, like this? Now it is a bit harder.
That is the correct way. You are doing perfect work.
I am finished with 10. My arms feel big.
Great job. Now let's go to the leg machine.
This is the leg press. It makes your legs strong.
It looks very heavy. Is it for beginners?
Yes, we can use light weight. Sit down here.
I am sitting down now. Where do I put my feet?
Put your feet on the metal plate. Keep them wide.
Okay, I am ready. Should I push the plate?
Yes, push it slowly. Do not lock your knees.
This is heavy, but my legs are very strong.
Excellent power, Tom. Do you walk a lot?
Yes, I walk to work every day. I love walking.
That is why your legs are good. Push 5 more.
1, 2, 3. My legs are shaking a little.
Shaking is normal. It means the muscles are working.
4 and 5. I am finished with the set.
Very good. You can rest your legs now.
Thank you. I need a short break, Anna.
Drink some water. It is important to stay hydrated.
I am drinking now. The water is very fresh.
Do you like the music in the gym? It is loud.
Yes, the music gives me energy. It is happy music.
We play it for our customers. It helps them work.
I am ready for more. What is the next exercise?
Let's try the rowing machine. It is for your back.
That sounds interesting. Show me how to use it.
Come with me, Tom. It is near the big window.
Sit on the small seat. Put your feet in the straps.
I am sitting down. The seat moves back and forth.
Yes, grab the black handle with both hands.
I have the handle. Should I pull it now?
Pull it to your stomach. Push with your legs too.
Like this? This feels like I am in a boat.
Yes, it is like rowing a boat on a lake.
I love the water. This is my favorite machine.
It works your whole body. Your heart will be fast.
I can feel it. My back and legs are working.
Keep a good rhythm. In and out slowly.
1, 2. 1, 2. This is very good exercise.
You are doing great, Tom. Keep going for 2 minutes.
I am a little tired now, but I can continue.
You are very brave. Most people stop very early.
I want to be healthy. I want to be very strong.
You are almost there. 10 more seconds of rowing.
10, 7, 5. I am finished now.
Great work, Tom. You are a very strong man.
Thank you, Anna. I need to sit for a moment.
Stand up slowly. Walk a little to relax your muscles.
My heart is beating very fast. I feel the energy.
That is the runner's high. It feels very good.
Yes, I feel very happy now. Exercise is amazing.
Now we go to the yoga mats. Time to stretch.
Take a blue yoga mat. Put it on the floor.
I have the mat. It is soft and very blue.
Sit down on the mat. Put your legs out straight.
Okay, I am sitting. My legs are very long.
Reach for your toes with your hands. Touch them.
I cannot touch my toes. My back is not flexible.
That is okay, Tom. Reach as far as you can.
I am touching my knees now. Is that okay?
Yes, stay there. You will be more flexible soon.
It hurts a little bit, but it feels like a stretch.
Breathing is important. Take a deep breath in.
I am breathing in and I am breathing out.
Good. Now stretch your arms above your head.
I am reaching for the ceiling. I am very tall.
You are doing great. Stretching prevents pain tomorrow.
I do not want my muscles to hurt. This is good.
Now lie down on your back. Close your eyes.
I am lying down. The floor is very quiet here.
Relax your body. Think about your happy day.
I am thinking about the park and the sun.
Your workout is finished. You did an amazing job.
Thank you, Anna. You are a very good teacher.
I am happy to help you. You are a good student.
I feel very calm now. My body is very happy.
Stand up slowly. Do not rush to leave.
I am standing up. I feel like a new man.
Do you want a protein shake? We have chocolate flavor.
Yes, please. I am very hungry after the gym.
It is $5. You can pay with your card again.
Here is my blue card. I love this card.
Thank you, Tom. I am making the shake now.
It smells like real chocolate. Is it healthy?
Yes, it has many vitamins. It helps your muscles grow.
That is perfect for me. I want big arms soon.
Here is your drink. It is cold and delicious.
Thank you, Anna. It tastes very good.
Do you want to come back tomorrow? We have a class.
What kind of class is it? Is it for beginners?
It is a yoga class. It helps with flexibility.
I need that. I want to touch my toes.
Then come at 10 o'clock. I will be here.
I will be here too. I like this gym very much.
We are happy to have you. You have a good energy.
Thank you. I will bring my friend Peter next time.
That is a great idea. Exercising with friends is fun.
Peter is a bit lazy, but he needs to move.
We can help him. No one is lazy in my gym.
I believe you, Anna. You are very strong.
Thank you, Tom. See you tomorrow morning.
See you tomorrow. I am going to the locker.
Have a wonderful evening. Eat a good dinner.
I have my bag. I am ready to go home.
Goodbye, Tom. It was a pleasure to meet you. You worked hard too. Be proud of yourself.
I am very proud. I feel very strong today.
Go home and rest. Sleep is good for muscles.
I will sleep for 8 hours. I am very tired.
That is perfect. See you at 10 tomorrow.
I will be on time. I am a very punctual person.
I like that. Have a safe walk to your house.
The sun is going down. The sky is very pretty.
Yes, it is a beautiful evening for a walk.
I am opening the door. The air is cool outside.
Take care of yourself. Do not run too fast.
I am walking slowly. My legs are very tired.
Drink more water at home. It is important.
I will drink a big glass. Thank you, Anna.
You are very welcome. See you soon.
See you soon. I am leaving the building now.
The gym is closing in 1 hour. I am going home too.
Have a good rest, Anna. You are a great trainer.
Thank you, Tom. Goodbye.
Goodbye.